Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain some of the problems of median. So I consider some of the problems on ungrouped data and grouped data. How to calculate median? You see the problem number 1. Find median of these numbers, these values. So here any set of values for an ungrouped data. This is called an ungrouped data. This is also an ungrouped data. For which what you have to do is you have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. So I am arranging in ascending order of magnitude. The least number is 10, thereafter 15, then 25, and then 30, and then 35. So this is what ascending order. Then you see we have arranged in the ascending order of magnitude, and now you have to observe how many number of values are there. That is how many observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have odd number of values, then middle value, exactly middle value, that is 25. It is nothing but median. So therefore median is equal to of this particular data is 25. Do you understand this? It is very simple calculation. Now if you consider a next problem, come to the next problem. Find the median of these numbers. Again arranging into ascending order. Arrange into ascending order. Least observation 6, and then 8, and then 12, 15, and then 26 and 32. Now you see how many number of observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 number of observations. Then median is nothing but average of two middle values. The two middle values are these 12 and 15. Hope you understand. These are the two middle values 12 and 15. So the median is equal to average of these, that is arithmetic mean you have to calculate for these two observations, that is 12 plus 15 divided by 2 is equal to 13.5. So this is what the calculation of median for ungrouped data. And in the ungrouped data we have two cases. I have explained for two cases. One is for odd number of values, and the other one is even number of values, even number of observations, odd number of observations. Then how to calculate median, right? Now come to the next problem. Find the median of this data, class interval and frequency. This is called a grouped data. So we have a frequency. This is also data which we have for in the form of the grouped frequency distribution. So for which how to calculate median? It is also very simple. So you concentrate on calculate one more column called cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, that is CF. So in addition to that given columns, class interval and frequency, you calculate one more column. It is called cumulative frequency. Denote it CF. Cumulative frequency, CF. What is cumulative frequency? Add the frequencies two continuous frequencies, that is continuous frequencies, one after another, that is for example 5, first frequency, and then add first and second, that is 17. Add first, second, third, that is 17 plus 23, it is 40. Add first 4, that is 40 plus 8, 48. Add all the observations, and then at last 50. Do you understand? The addition of one after another the frequencies you have to add one by one. That is first one, second one, third one, etc. You have to add frequencies cumulatively, then you will get cumulative frequency. So after calculating cumulative frequency, to calculate median, first of all you have to calculate n by 2. That is, median class is to be decided, for which you have to calculate n by 2. What is n by 2? 50 by 2, it is 25. So 25, n by 2 is equal to 25. What is n? N is total frequency. That is, n is equal to summation f. N is equal to summation f. If you want to write summation I is equal to 1 to n fi, this is the formula, or else summation f. If you indicate I, this is the formula. If you are not indicating I, then this is the formula. So summation f is nothing but 5 plus 12 plus 23 plus 8 plus 2. That is n is equal to 50. We have just calculated cumulative frequency, the total is 50, right? So the n by 2 is equal to 25. Now what we have to consider, what we have to calculate, just greater than n by 2 cumulative frequency you have to obtain. That is just greater than 25. Cumulative frequency is 40. This is just greater than cumulative frequency. Corresponding class is median class. That is, I am marking this one. Have you understand this? Consider n by 2, that is 25 here, and calculate or obtain just greater than 25, that is n by 2 cumulative frequency. In the cumulative frequency, you calculate just greater than n by 2. After 17, 25 here, after 25, 40 here. So just greater than cumulative frequency and 25 is 40. Corresponding class is median class, that is 60 to 70. So just greater than 25 n by 2. 25 cumulative frequency is 40. This is corresponding class is the corresponding class is 60 to 70. Therefore, the median class is 60 to 70. That is, median should lie in between 60 to 70. That is the meaning here. You have to understand the meaning here. Median is to be lie in the interval, the class interval 60 to 70. Okay. Now what is the formula? I write the formula and so that we use the formula to calculate median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C divided by F into H. So now after deciding the median class, you have to write all the values. What is L? Lower limit. You see here, you come here in the corresponding class interval, that is median class. This is L. 60. That is L. Corresponding F. Cumulative frequency, not cumulative frequency. Frequency. Its frequency F. The preceding cumulative frequency is nothing but preceding the median class frequency is cumulative frequency C. C is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. That is, it is 17. The median class is this. Preceding cumulative frequency is this. So therefore it is C. H we know. That is 40 to 50. The gap, it is nothing but 10. 50 minus 40, 60 minus 50. So therefore H is equal to 70 minus 60. It is equal to 10. So L is equal to 60. F is equal to 23. C is equal to 17. H is equal to 10. You substitute in the formula. L 60 plus n by 2 25 minus C 17 divided by F is equal to 23 multiplied by 10. So you calculate by using the calculator, you can calculate the final answer. If you calculate, the answer will be 63.4782. This is what the final answer we can obtain. So it is lies in between 60 to 70, 63.4. So therefore it is in between the values in the class interval 60 to 70. That is the inner meaning of calculating median class. Calculating median class. So this is the way to calculate median for grouped data and ungrouped data. So this is the formula for grouped data, and ungrouped data, the mid value is nothing but median, the middle value. Like this we calculate the value of median, that is for any ungrouped data or grouped data. Thank you so much.